Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to clone any app or game in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as 2 accounts. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open, just click on agree and continue. Now you will see some applications already being added, so you can remove it if you don't need those pre-created applications here. Now just click on this plus icon. Now select the respective app or game which you want to clone. So say, just to give an example, I'm selecting this Edge browser. So finally it has created a clone of this application, so you can see here. So you can add this clone applications directly to your home screen also. Just tap and hold. Now just select this text icon in order to add this clone app to your home screen. Click on save, click on add. Now you can minimize it. So now you can see here, this is the original app and this is the clone app. So finally we have clone, so you can open and run the clone app as a different application. So you can create different app or games clone by using this similar method. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily clone any app or game in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.